Alright guys, welcome back to their Siguru YouTube channel. Today we got our optic. You can see something different on the top. Oh, I just printed some defensive measures, nothing too serious. But also, you know, I don't really like how the shocks worked. So that's an OG Curry anti-sway bar that I adapted. They can take version 2, version 3, no problem. Version 1's a little bit, you got to know what you're doing, but that's okay. And if you notice, on the rear, you see there's a single spring, and on the front, there's a dual spring with a collar. Now, this is called a progressive rate setup. So, the truck drives on the top spring, and when it hits a bump, it rides on that bottom spring. So it has a dual rate with a single rate spring. Now you can get springs that have that built in, but this is much more effective, and you can do this to any S8E shock. And I'm just running a AFRC servo. It's 40 kilograms, but it's faster than you need ever. You know what I mean? 3D printed grill. There's that servo, waterproof. Blue ring shocks, if you want to know, front and rear. So I got a battery on this side, a battery on the other side. Oh, and guys, this is what's going on today. We're testing out flat irons, 4.76. No brass on the back like normal. Vanquish rim, that's a method rim. Yeah, we're gonna test these flat irons out and see if they can make it up the glass or not. So follow with me and we'll go. It's a lot peppier. Watch this. I changed it. I finished all the electronics on the inside. So that means I went in with the Bluetooth, and I went in through the Tekin software. See that? So before, the drag brake wasn't the best. Now it lifts the back tires. That's where about we want it. And before, the punch wasn't the best. Now it lifts the front tires. So that's where we want it. So, and the slow speed control. Is great also. All right, so let's make it in. Let's head to the backyard. Wild, eh? As you can see, it's not a bad day. It has rained though today, so the glass is going to be wet. Gotta cut the grass, probably do that later. But also I like it long. That's what she said. So here's the glass. And we'll start it. Proline flat irons, no brass. H10 Optic. 2 batteries for weight distribution. Look at that, didn't even need to grab like them other tires, the BFGs. Oh, would have fell short. These are GA compound, the other ones were Predators. They might just need to warm up. And by that I just need like a little wheel speed, get a little heat in the rubber. And then you kind of lay off and you let the tire do the work. Sometimes they need to run at it too. Whoa. Alright, we got some heat in the tires. Here's the whole point of the glass, guys. This is what you can't see in a normal RC video. Let's go back to the bottom.
Whoa!
Anyway, like and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, I just want to show you the difference. These tires that I have on today, the flat irons, they require like a grip. That's why the lugs on them are so aggressive. They need something to catch. When yesterday we were reliant on like the compound. So see, the compound's different. This is a G8 and the other ones were a Predator. That's why this one can't sit on the glass. See how it's catching on the back, and it can't sit on the glass like the other one could at all. It has no hold at all. But if you get back, because the tires grip, they'll grip here and here if you have enough forward momentum, you know what I mean? Like, so it'll claw right to the top, but it won't hold on the glass. See the difference between the compounds? So you got to pick your compound. You can make it right to the top with G8 as long as you got a ledge to hold on to. Once you're done with that ledge, you slide right to the bottom. With that Predator compound, you hold on, but you also, there's a big trade-off too, because those Predator lugs, they fold over a lot easier. So when you're coming up to that ledge, your lugs can't let you down. Anyway guys, just thought I'd throw that in. Thank you. Like and subscribe and set your notifications, please.